Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Clickfunnels, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Clickfunnels website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. On the top right corner of the home page, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Clickfunnels account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your credentials, look for the Login button at the bottom of the form. Click on the Login button to access your Clickfunnels dashboard. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your user dashboard. In case of any issues, double-check your email and password. Make sure that there are no extra spaces or incorrect characters. If you are still experiencing difficulties, consider clearing your browser cache. You can also try using a different browser or device if problems persist. Once logged in, you can start creating your funnels and exploring the features. Enjoy using Clickfunnels to grow your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.